My dream car was BMW Z4. I drove a Z4 for 1 year. After that, suddenly picked up a Lambo. That was something out of the box which I didn't dream of. And it was a crazy experience just buying a Lambo, getting it home, giving a surprise to your parents that Dad, I bought a Lambo. Then after that also I picked up couple of cars like RS7, AMG E63, Mercedes, GLC 43 AMG. But no doubt anything, Lambo is Lambo.
Have there been any life-changing events or moments that have significantly shaped who you are today?
Whatever car you drive, you get that kind of a respect in today's world. And after buying a Lamborghini, or you can say after buying BMW, people started seeing me in a different way. So that changed my life. People started trusting me and giving their cars for work. So it's like what you wear, what you drive, everything is important.
Right.
So when I bought 5 Series, that was a very big change in my life, where I've seen people talking to me with 100% respect.